Back in November 2021, I purchased a Pingi car dehumidifier as my car was getting a little bit wet on the inside of things, especially the windscreen, and it was a bit of a pain first thing in the morning. These things are designed to absorb moisture in the car, and you dry them out by sticking them in the microwave for a few moments, not very long at all, and it dries them out and you get quite a lot of steam and moisture pushed out of it after microwaving. Okay, let's see how hot and steamy it is this time. Yep, still coming out. I don't know if you can see that, but it's still steamy. So we'll let it dry off and see what it's like in a few moments. However, after a few months of microwaving my new Pingi bag, I noticed the colour had started to fade a little bit. And then one day, it actually got a little hole in it. It sort of like melted somehow or another where it had been folded over, and all of the little beads, the moisture absorbing beads, had started to fall out all over the place. Okay, so I don't think it's all that great that it's gone wrong, especially because this happened only about a few months into my having it, and it must have sat in the microwave like this here and got really, really hot and melted a big hole in it, which I've, as you can see, I have sewn up. But it did it again, and worse than that, where it sat on the tissue in the microwave, look at this. We have quite a bit of destruction going on just here. There's actually a hole starting to appear, so it's melted its way into here as well. Look at that. So the beads will be coming out of there, and then they are coming out of there already, look. And we've got a similar problem just here as well. I can't remember how long it says to leave it, because it's obviously been melted now. It's not very long, and I only put it into the microwave for 4.5 minutes each time, and you can see it's discoloured as well. So I'm not best pleased with this, I must admit. Beads are all falling out all over the place. Again, let's put it down. There we go. So I decided not to get another one of these. So anyway, yesterday morning I was in Tesco's getting the usual weekly shop when I found these little fellas on sale, on offer, on the club card for about £5 and something, maybe £5.30. So I thought, let's give one of these a go. Again, 6 minutes at 600 watts. I think it was exactly the same for the Pingi. Slightly different material, I believe. Let's get it out of the packaging and have a look, shall we, guys? Okay, so here it is. We have some instructions in English, hopefully somewhere too. Yeah, there we go. In English, good hope. It's sealed in a little bag to keep the moisture out of it, obviously, before you start using it. The material feels a lot softer, and actually I had noticed once I got it out of the packaging, one of the guys at work's also got one of these, so I'll have to ask him how he gets on with it. You can see all the little beads in there, and I believe, according to the packaging here, these little beads will turn from orange to green, dark green in colour. Means the absorber is wet. This is an Eco Ventis Dry Now. And again, it goes in the car. It's got the instructions on it as well. Car dehumidifier. I mean, I find the other one, my Pingi, worked quite well really, until it went wrong. I have also got a larger bag of this stuff in the rear passenger compartment of the car. It's a lot larger. I think it's about 1 kilogram of the stuff, I think, and it sits in the middle of the car there on the floor, absorbing even more moisture, but it takes a good while for that one to get filled up. I found the Pingi took about, depending on what the weather's like, obviously if it's really damp and that, it'll take about a couple of weeks or a week or so to fill it up. So it'll be interesting to see how this one works out then, won't it? So what we'll have to do is we'll have to get it out of the packaging here, and we'll take it out to the car and get it installed. There we go, there we are. Put that on the floor for a moment. And there it is. Oh, the bag, it does feel a bit better actually. It feels a nicer material, it's a softer material. So yeah, I don't know which way you're supposed to put it up. This looks like, I don't know, is that a gauze? Yes, it's actually, as you can see, a little gauze So that'll let the moisture in to get to the little beads there. Alrighty then, let's get it out to the car. Put it into my, I've actually got another Leaf now, a much newer model, 2.0. So let's get it out to the car. Okay then, so here we are out in my new Leaf. I've had it about 6 months now, I think. Let's get the little bag in its place over there, and that's where it's going to be living. So let's see if we can get it in there, shall we? There we go. Oh, it fits in there a lot better. It's a lot softer. Goes in there a lot better. Oh, that's all right. I take it it's meant to go that way up anyway. I suppose it is, so you can see the little coloured beads there. Alrighty there. So we'll leave it there. See how it gets on. I'm busy charging it at the moment, as you can see, ready for tomorrow when I go off to work. So yeah, let's see how this one gets on, shall we, guys? Alrighty, thanks for watching. I'll keep you updated as to how this bag works. I'm going to have to chuck the other one away because it's just not any good anymore. So I'll keep you up to date on how this new Eco Ventis bag works. Thanks for watching, guys.